What is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome to this very special offer that we have going on for you. On behalf of myself and Chase Reiner here, we are so excited for you to get started with AI as a consultant. This is a huge opportunity, and the best part is you can use AI tools that are very, very inexpensive, sometimes free, to get the job done without having to do most of the work yourself. You're going to let the tools automate and do most of the work and the heavy lifting, and you just basically run the commands and steer the ship. This is an awesome strategy that you're not going to want to miss out on. And before we take this to the full price of $197, we wanted to offer you guys, our valued customers, a chance to get in on a very special deal, or if you've been invited here by someone else, to get in on a very special deal before we raise the price. This isn't going to last long. We're only doing this for, you can see the timer on the page, until that time runs out, and then we're going to raise the price. So I'm super excited for you to get in. So jump in on the AI Consultant Masterclass right now. You'll be glad that you did. We look forward to seeing you inside.